Hello and welcome to American Northwest Aviation. If you're watching this on American Northwest Magazine's YouTube channel, please check the description and click on the link that takes you directly to American Northwest Aviation's YouTube channel for more specific aviation content. Please subscribe to both channels. Our subscribers mean a lot to us, and please comment on what kind of videos you would like to see from us. Please don't forget to like and click on the notification bell and share this video as well. Also in the description you'll find a link to our Amazon and other affiliates web pages. Please help support this channel by making your everyday purchases there. Thank you for watching. So this video is for existing Part 61 certificate holders to become a certificated remote pilot. We're skipping over the first time pilot section here, and we are on www.faa.gov, and you can read the rest there. Do a search for become a certificated remote pilot, faa.gov, and you should come up with this page. So skipping over first-time pilots, existing Part 61 certificate holders, and anyone who holds a Part 61 certificate holder should know who you are, such as private pilots, commercial pilots, and airline transport pilots, and so on. So the eligibility, again, to become a certificated remote pilot begins with holding a pilot certificate issued under 14 CFR Part 61. Must have completed a flight review within the previous 24 months, which would include any 121 recurrent check ride or initial check ride, Part 135, 293 check ride, and also a 61.58 check ride. Requirements for a remote pilot certificate. So it must be easily accessible by the remote pilot during all UAS operations. Certificate holders must complete an online recurrent training every 24 months to maintain aeronautical knowledge recency. Looks like there's no charge for that. Let's just click on there and see where it takes us. Okay, this would be another video, so we'll just continue on here. Navigating the process to becoming a drone pilot. Step 1, create or log into your existing account on the FAA Safety Team website. Now this is separate from the IACRA. Okay. We won't go over this, just go to this web page and create your account or log in. Step 2, complete the 107 Small UAS Initial Online Training course. The course will cover these topic areas. Regulations, weather, aircraft loading, weight and balance and performance, emergency procedures, CRM, determining the performance of small and unmanned aircraft, maintenance and pre-flight inspection, operations at night. Number 3, create an account or log into your existing account in IACRA. And all 61 pilots should know about that by now. Complete Form 8710-13 for a remote pilot certificate, airman certificate, and or rating application in IACRA. Log in with the username and password, click on the Start New Application, Start Application, follow application prompts, sign the application electronically, and submit for processing. Step 5. Make an appointment with one of the following entities to validate your identity. Bring your completed Form 8710-13, proof of your current flight review. So in my case, that would be a 6158 checkout from Morristown Flight Safety on the G100. A photo ID, so your driver's license, state ID, or passport. And your online course completion certificate, which you would get after completing the course we showed above. So for me, the easiest thing is going to be to go to an FAA certificated flight instructor, because I'm nowhere near a FSDO. I guess I could go to a DPE in the area as well. So I will have to call a flight school, see if I can find a CFI and find out how much they'll charge me to do a identity validation. And if you use a CFI, they cannot issue a temporary certificate. So if I can see a DPE, that would work better for me because I can get a temporary certificate. So I will call a DPE and a CFI and compare the prices. I imagine that to receive your certificate, 107 certificate, that you will have to wait quite a while. So I think the DPE would be the better option so I can get a temporary certificate. The representative will sign your application and issue a temporary airman certificate, except for the CFI, of course, cannot do that. Step 7, have your remote pilot certificate available whenever you fly your UAS. And then it gets into keep your remote pilot certificate current. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you for joining us. Please subscribe and like and share this video, and comment on where you're watching from. And there are some links in the description that would help support this channel by making your everyday purchases on Amazon. Thank you again.
The United States House of Representatives has passed a bill that could lead to a ban on the sale of DJI drones. Titled the Countering CCP Drones Act, the legislation aims to address national security concerns related to drones manufactured by entities associated with the Chinese government. The bill is pending a Senate vote. Should the Senate approve the bill, DJI would be added to the Federal Communications Commission's (FCC) covered list, potentially halting new equipment authorizations for DJI products or software in the U.S. The legislation is not anticipated to affect existing drones that have already received FCC approval. DJI has raised concerns regarding the proposed ban, citing significant financial repercussions and negative effects on sectors such as public safety and domestic innovation. The company has reiterated its dedication to data privacy and security measures. Currently, the proposed legislation does not render it illegal to operate already approved DJI drones in the U.S. However, future regulations could potentially influence the legality of flying these drones. Owners of DJI drones are advised to remain informed about the progress of the legislation and any subsequent regulatory changes. If you're a drone enthusiast, then you need to hear this. Today, we will discuss the implications of the Countering CCP Drones Act and its potential impact on drone usage in the United States. The Countering CCP Drones Act is a proposed piece of legislation aimed at restricting the use of drones manufactured in China, particularly those produced by DJI. If enacted, this legislation would prohibit the use of DJI drones, a brand that is well known among drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. The rationale behind this act is the concern that these drones could be used for espionage, transmitting sensitive information back to China. However, it is important to note that there is no substantial evidence to support these allegations. The concerns are largely based on suspicions and precautionary measures. Despite the lack of concrete evidence, the bill has been framed as a matter of national security. This legislation would not only affect hobbyists, but also has broader implications. It could significantly disrupt various industries that depend on drone technology, including agriculture, filmmaking, and search and rescue operations. We will explore these potential disruptions in more detail later. The Countering CCP Drones Act has sparked a significant debate among policymakers, industry experts, and the general public. Proponents argue that the act is a necessary step to protect national security and prevent potential espionage. On the other hand, critics claim that the act is based on unfounded fears and could stifle innovation and economic growth. The outcome of this legislation could set a precedent for how the United States handles foreign technology in the future. As we delve deeper into this topic, we will examine the potential consequences and the broader implications for the drone industry and beyond. Section 2. DJI on Edge. Why the drone giant is sweating bullets. DJI is currently under immense pressure from the US government. The stakes are high, and the potential consequences are severe. DJI controls a massive chunk of the global drone market, and the US is a huge part of that. This ban could cost them billions, and that's not even taking into account the damage to their reputation. Imagine being labeled a national security threat when all you're trying to do is sell some high-tech flying cameras. They've been trying to reason with the powers that be, pointing out that there's no evidence to support these claims, and that their drones are used by everyone from firefighters to farmers. But so far, it seems like their pleas are falling on deaf ears. It's a classic case of guilty until proven innocent, and unfortunately, in this political climate, fear and suspicion often trump logic and evidence. It's enough to make you want to scream into the void, or maybe just fly your drone really, really high. But before you do that, let's talk about who else might get caught in the crossfire. The potential ban doesn't just affect DJI's bottom line. It has far-reaching implications for their employees, suppliers, and even the end users who rely on their technology for various critical applications. Farmers, for instance, use DJI drones for crop monitoring and management, which significantly boosts agricultural productivity. Firefighters depend on these drones for real-time aerial views during rescue operations, which can be the difference between life and death. Engineers utilize DJI drones for inspecting infrastructure, ensuring safety and efficiency in construction and maintenance projects. A ban on DJI drones could disrupt these essential services, causing a ripple effect that extends far beyond the company itself. DJI is continuing its efforts to negotiate and present evidence to clear its name, but the outcome remains uncertain. As we await the final decision, the entire tech community watches closely, hoping for a resolution that balances national security concerns with the undeniable benefits of drone technology. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and share it. Comment below on where you're watching from and what your drone experience is. Click on the notification bell so you never miss an update. There are links in the description to help support this channel. If you click on the link, you can make your everyday purchases on Amazon, and we will receive a small commission. Also, check out our American Northwest Aviation YouTube channel for exclusive aviation videos. From farms to film sets, who feels the sting of a DJI ban? Drones aren't just expensive toys for tech enthusiasts. They've become essential in many fields. The Countering CCP Drones Act threatens progress. Farmers rely on drones for surveying fields and spraying pesticides. These drones increase yields and reduce costs. Filmmakers use drones for stunning aerial shots. Search and rescue teams save lives with drones. This ban could have far-reaching consequences. Farmers emphasize that drones help them monitor crop health, manage resources efficiently, and respond quickly to issues. In construction, drones are used for site surveys, progress tracking, and safety inspections. Emergency responders rely on drones to quickly assess disaster zones and coordinate rescue efforts. Conservationists use drones to monitor wildlife and protect endangered species. Even the logistics industry is exploring drone technology for efficient delivery services. The potential applications of drones are vast and varied, making the implications of a ban even more significant.
You know, I've been flying drones for years, and it's been an amazing journey. But with these new regulations, I'm starting to wonder how much longer my current drones will be compliant. It's a bit worrying. The uncertainty is unsettling, especially for those of us who have invested significant time and money into our equipment.
Absolutely. The new legislation has many drone enthusiasts concerned about the future of their existing devices. While current drones are safe for now, the question remains: how long will that last? The evolving regulatory landscape could mean that today's compliant drones might not meet tomorrow's standards, leaving many to question the longevity of their investments. If you're thinking about diving into aerial photography, now might be the perfect time. Costco has some great deals on drones that are compliant with the current regulations.
Yeah, definitely. The DJI Mini 3, for example, is a fantastic option. It's compact, easy to use, and offers stunning photo and video quality. But keep in mind, the regulatory landscape is changing, so it's important to stay informed.
Additionally, Costco's return policy is quite generous, which can give you peace of mind when making such an investment. However, it's crucial to act quickly, as these deals may not last long. With the evolving regulations, having a compliant drone now could save you from future headaches.
Absolutely. And don't forget to check for any firmware updates or new guidelines from the FAA. Staying updated ensures that you can continue to enjoy your drone without any legal issues.
Navigating the world of drone certification can seem daunting, but it's essential for anyone serious about flying drones.
Right. The certification process is designed to ensure that drone operators understand the rules and can fly safely. It involves a knowledge test that covers various aspects of drone operation and safety. Staying compliant not only keeps you safe, but also helps protect the airspace for everyone.
And beyond certification, there are ongoing requirements like renewing your registration and staying updated with any new regulations. It's a commitment, but one that ensures you can enjoy your drone activities responsibly. To get started, there are numerous resources available, including study materials and online courses that can help you prepare for the certification exams. Joining drone community forums can also be beneficial, as experienced pilots often share valuable tips and insights.
Look out for drone safety workshops and local flying clubs where you can gain hands-on experience and learn from others.
Remember, achieving certification is a significant milestone that opens up many opportunities, whether for recreational flying or commercial ventures. As drone technology continues to advance, staying informed and certified will be crucial for adapting to new regulations and making the most of your drone flying experience.